Hakimi to stand trial for rape in France as PSG star declares he's eagerly awaiting day in court. Paris Saint-Germain defender Achraf Hakimi has been ordered to stand trial before a French criminal court following a definitive ruling by the Versailles Court of Appeal. The Moroccan international has been under intense judicial scrutiny since early 2023 over allegations of sexual assault, a claim the fullback has consistently and vehemently denied. Court finds sufficient evidence. The case stems from a February 2023 incident where a young woman reported a sexual assault at the player's home in Boulogne-Billancourt. Following an extensive 3-year judicial inquiry, the prosecution formally requested a trial before the final judicial referral was confirmed by the appeals court. Legal authorities in Hauts-de-Seine ultimately ruled that the investigation had yielded sufficient evidence against the 27-year-old to proceed directly to a full criminal trial. Hakimi took to social media to give his take on the news, declaring, "The court looked me in the eye and said, if you weren't famous, there would never have been a case. I chose to remain silent for years. I thought that remaining dignified, being patient, and trusting in the justice system would allow the right decisions to be made." Plaintiff lawyer expresses relief. The legal representative for the civil party welcomed the appellate court's decision, describing it as a consistent step towards justice that offers reassurance to victims within elite sports. Rachel Flor Pardo, the civil party's lawyer, stated, "The investigating chamber has ruled that there is sufficient evidence against Achraf Hakimi for having committed rape. This decision is perfectly consistent with the evidence in the case and in line with the opinions of the public prosecutor, the investigating judge, and the Advocate General at the Court of Appeal. This decision brings my client relief and hope. The hope that this trial will help other women and further erode the fortress of denial and impunity surrounding sexual violence, even within the world of men's football." Defense denounces false accusation. Hakimi's legal team has maintained an entirely contrary stance, aggressively criticizing the decision to proceed while claiming the investigation overlooked critical exculpatory evidence. The Morocco international's lawyer responded, "The multitude of exculpatory elements revealed by the investigation and the judicial inquiry would, in any other case, have led to a dismissal. Mr. Achraf Hakimi is now eagerly awaiting his trial so that he can finally speak publicly about the false accusation against him."